guys, Phil here with BLP3 Motors, and today we are back with Nick and his 2018 Honda Civic Type R. What's up, Nick?
What's up, guys?
Hey, so we are going to be basically talking about the Mishimoto air intake and how awesome it is, and the reasons why you want it. So before we get started, make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe if you're new, and make sure to check out the links in the description for BLP3 Motors t-shirts and to get yourself actually the intake. So we're going to go ahead and do some talking about it.
Yeah, guys, so look, the Mishimoto air intake, super tough to get. 8-month waiting list, I heard, was the last thing on the Civic Type R owners forums. You guys, it's a fantastic intake. And let me be the first to say, I have not heard a lot of them out there. I know that a lot of companies out there making these air intakes kind of flubbed their performance numbers a little bit. Mishimoto is super, super good about publishing them, being extremely transparent with their numbers and showing you how they're getting them. So that was the main reason I went with Mishimoto. I felt the most confidence buying from these guys. This Mishimoto intake, published numbers are 42% more air over the stock intake.
Wow.
Impressive, right?
Yeah.
The performance gains, 16 wheel horsepower, and I think 12 foot-pounds of torque increase with just the intake, no tune.
That's incredible.
Yeah, it's really solid.
So what's the does it void your warranty?
You know, look, anytime you're dealing with a dealership, right, they're gonna find ways, right? Whether you're running a tune, you're putting another mod on your car.
Okay.
You know, guys, look, we're doing this because we love cars, right? We understand that any slight modification that we make to the car, right, it is a little bit more risk that we run when we go to the dealer when we have these issues. Now, I kept my OEM. And for a number of reasons why, but I kept my OEM in the event that there was an issue with the car.
Right.
I'm slapping that OEM back.
Right. Well, actually, let's shoot a quick comparison between the OEM parts and the Mishimoto air intake. So, boom. So, guys, here's just a little shot of the old intake versus the Mishimoto intake. Got a lot of noise out here, but it's a lot of fun noise. So that just kind of gives you guys a shot. Here's also a shot of the old box. Kind of that's where it's sat. And this is currently where the Mishimoto is. Boom. But yeah, so that's a big difference. And man, does the Mishimoto just look so much better than this old box. Mishimoto, you guys did a freaking awesome job. This thing looks gorgeous. It looks sexy. It looks sleek. So now you guys have seen the comparison between the Mishimoto and then the OEM parts, and man, I have to say they look way more gorgeous. It makes the engine bay just come out and look just sleek and sexy.
Stealthy, right?
Yeah.
Stealthy. Very stealthy. And I can't say enough about the guys over at Mishimoto. Super helpful, super available. I mean, they'll even cancel your order.
Wow.
I mean, they'll even say, hey, look, we understand. There's just such a high demand for their cooling parts right now. They're just unprecedented popularity in the marketplace.
Wow.
But they're solid folks. I highly recommend.
Well, awesome, guys. Hey, if you have a Mishimoto air intake on your Type R, leave us some comments. Leave us some stuff that you want us to talk about and to go over. But let's blow up the comment section, guys. And again, make sure to like the video.
Better yet, I mean, if they've been running the intake longer than I have, hey, please let me know. I've had this intake on for only a couple of weeks now.
Yeah.
I'd love to hear those thoughts of folks that have had it even longer, right? Do you still love it?
Or the numbers, if you're data logging, we want to know what your increases are. But guys, again, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to pick up BLP3 Motors t-shirts, guys. Links in the description, Mishimoto Intake, and the links for the t-shirts. But just a shout out to Mishimoto. You guys are awesome intake, and we hope you guys see this.
Absolutely, no doubt. Thanks for the sponsorship, guys.
All right, guys, catch you later.